Hey guys, welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to trade off of the breakout trading strategy. Okay, now one of the issues I've seen beginners struggle with is that they don't know the exact point on how to enter the trade, what the market is doing and all of that. So I'm going to be doing a breakdown on this video, showing you what to do, okay, in this one breakout trade strategy. But before we dive in, I want you to understand something. I'm actually giving a free training to beginners traders that have been struggling with passing their Profem challenge, the phase one and the phase two. I'm going to be showing you how I was able to pass my Profit challenge without complications. Okay, using the one strategy. I'm not going to be training your strategy, but I'm going to be identifying individually what is the major issues you're having, so I can be able to help out. That's my own way of giving back to the community. Okay, that's what my own way I want to start up the year with. So you can't be trading forex this long and you're not actually profitable, or you had a Profit challenge account and you're able to build it up. So I'm going to be showing you what to do. Maybe you had a strategy and you've been trading, you've been profitable, or you don't have a strategy. I'm going to be lecturing you on that and showing you how you can actually trade with the what Profit challenge and become profitable on the long run. Okay, let's dive right into this video. The link is going to be in my description of this video. I will leave the link there. You can click the link to join the community. The training will be starting up on the 30th of this month. Okay, you're going to be starting on the 30th of this month. So let's start. So this is what break of structure here. This is gold. Gold has been bullish. So the first thing you want to do while looking for a breakout, you want the market to break out in the direction of the world trend. If the trend is bullish, going up, and you see some stuff like this, you want to see a breakout like this for some of the strategy before going back up. Why there are some that the market that does not actually break out with some stuff like this, it does some stuff. The last video that I dropped, it was something like this on Bitcoin. It was actually ranging before it actually was broke up. Then it came back down here and started moving up. Okay, this is still a breakout, but there are some that does something like this. It does something like this, break out and start going up. So that is what gold did here. So the first thing you want to identify is a trend. Now we see that the trend is bullish, so we're seeing a break of structure here. So what we want to see is price actually coming back to a key level. If you go down to the lower time frame, you confirm what I just drew. So what we want to do is identify with the trend line. You guys know that I use trend line a lot. That is what I use. I don't use anything more complex. The only thing you're seeing on my screen is trend line and rectangular line. Those are the two things that I used in the market. Okay, let me draw this up a bit. Okay, okay, it's better off. So what can we see here? We see what price has been generating liquidity. Liquidity is where orders have been placed. So many folks were selling here. Okay, they were selling to the downside with the belief that the price will continually drop to the downside, but the market is bullish, so you don't want to trade against the trend. What you want to do, I think my mentor taught me this, no matter what the market does, you want to make sure you are trading with the trend. You want to make sure you're trading with the trend. That way you are able to stay profitable. You're able to stay what? Profitable. So now we see that the price is actually generating liquidity. I just come down here. What we want to see is what? A breakout, pull back and start going up. This is the secret why I created this video. I want to show you guys what price did. Now what did we see here? The price actually changed character here. A change of character, right? Normally it's supposed to break out, do all manner of stuff, then come back to this last breakout here. Let me draw this thing very well so you can see it. Yeah, it's supposed to generate liquidity up here, down here before going back up, but it didn't do that. What it did was it just respected this other block here and started going back up. What this simply means is that price is going to be coming back down. Remember I talked about fair value gap. I think I'm going to be showing you in that pop frame challenge. I don't want to make this video too long, so this confirms it. Price is going to be coming back here. Why? Because it needs to fill this gap before going back up. So that is why I drew my rectangular line here. This is the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. That's why I drew my rectangular line here. I want to see price come here before going up. It may seem like it's not going to happen. It may seem like it's impossible, but it will definitely happen. That's why I'm waiting. Gold might not do it now, but it will definitely. This is what? 1 hour. That's why I'm waiting. So if you're with me, this is a Sunday. So I'm doing this analysis on Sunday. So this is definitely going to be happening. Why? I have another confirmation here. Remember, this was the last order block before price ran out liquidity to the downside, right? It confirmed it here again. So it's supposed to confirm it here again before going up. So this space needs to be filled. Guys, let's stick out close. I'm going to be dropping this strategy, or this whole concept here on my Telegram community. If you have not joined, I will encourage you to do so, where we drop setups and we trade together. Okay, so that'll be all. I look forward to seeing you in the community so we can start together and how we can make 2025 a profitable year for every trader out there who have been struggling to pass their profit challenges, phase one and also their phase two. Phase one and phase two is actually kind of like the same, but a little bit slight difference in between. So that'll be all. Thank you.